3 AI tools that will make you rich in 2026. No coding required. Everyone wants to be rich, but not everyone wants to code. What if I told you AI can do the heavy lifting for you? Number 1. Framer. Build complete functional websites with a single prompt. No coding, no design skills. Launch a SaaS or a service agency in one day. Number 2. Synthesia. Create realistic, talking AI avatars for video marketing. Offer this as a service to local businesses and charge hundreds for an automated sales team. Number 3. OpenAI's GPT-4. Turbo with custom APIs. Automate data analysis for crypto or trading. Predict market trends with custom agents. No coding required. The future isn't about knowing how to code. It's about knowing how to use AI to build. The window is closing. Will you step through it? Subscribe for more AI wealth building strategies.